Hi girls, I'm Megha from PerkyMix.com and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do the review of the Lakme Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in French Rose. Before we move forward, I just want to say that it's really difficult to get a palette. At least for me, I have been really finding it difficult to get a palette in India with some really good crease eyeshadow colors, matte eyeshadow colors, which are really required for a pro eye makeup. So that's why in all my eye makeup you see the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette or the Coastal Scents Reveal 2 palette or the Makeup Geek eyeshadows for my crease color, because for warm Indian skin tones, we need some warm orangish brown, caramel, brownish matte colors which are needed for that perfect blending of the eyeshadow and for the pro eye makeup. Since I've been getting a lot of requests from all of you to use eyeshadows which are easily available in India, so I was in a search of an eyeshadow palette from quite some time and I've been doing my research, and then when I saw this palette, then I thought let's give it a try and I'll tell you all my honest review whether this palette fulfilled my requirements or not. And I'll be finding more palettes for all of you which are really self-sufficient to create really good eye makeups, and till now my favorite is still the Modern Renaissance palette, because I think that palette has some really amazing warm colors for Indian skin tones. It has all the matte colors, it has some shimmer colors which I absolutely love, but since it's not easily available in India, so I will be finding some alternate palettes for all of you. So coming back to today's review, I got this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette. So this is a limited edition. It's by Sabyasachi. The price of this palette is 995 rupees, but I got this on discount online. I'll leave the link in the description box in case you're interested. So I got it for around 720 rupees. Which is, I think, a good discount, and I advise all of you also to get it online and see whether there is some sale going on, because you get some really good discounts at that time. Coming back to packaging, it comes in a cardboard packaging like this, which is quite nice, classic. The palette inside is like this. This is a sturdy plastic. This is kind of shiny plastic in which if you put your finger, it gets its impression, which I don't like much because then the palette looks dirty. But apart from that, I think it is quite sleek, very travel friendly, I would say. And then if I open it, I get a mirror, which I always love. And this is a Q-tip kind of applicator, which is in my view no use ever, so I just throw it whenever I get it because I use my brushes for the eyeshadows, and it has these 6 eyeshadows. So I just loved these 2 colors particularly because I think these are really perfect for the crease colors, the ones that I was searching in a lot of palettes which are easily available here. So you get 6 eyeshadows in this palette, and as I told you, I'm really happy about these 2 colors because I think getting really good crease colors and that too matte eyeshadows. To get shimmery eyeshadows is very easy, but to get really good matte eyeshadows in India, I think is a really difficult task because our eyelids are generally pigmented and colors don't show up easily if they are not pigmented enough, and the right kind of warm brown shades are really important, especially for the crease colors. For that matter, I am really impressed with these 2 colors. I really like the way this palette's shade selection has been made. Now coming back to the colors, the first color is a really beautiful I would say rosy pink shade. I have done already today's eye makeup with this, and this is fairly pigmented. I would not say it is highly pigmented because I have used my Modern Renaissance palette and it is like with just one pat of color on the brush, and boom, it is just as required in even one stroke. But for this I had to first apply with a brush and then I had to apply with my fingers to get my desired pigmentation. But I think for 720 it's not that bad. So I would say the pigmentation is not really great, but it is not bad also, so it is just okay-ish. These 2 colors, as I told you, these are really good for the crease colors. I really liked it, but I really miss my orangish brown and burnt orange colors, which look amazing on our crease colors. But nevertheless, you can also use these colors for the crease like I have used today in my eye makeup. The second eyeshadow is a mauve kind of texture, and which is a matte eyeshadow, and as I stated that this is really great for the crease color. Then for this bronzy gold eyeshadow, you can use it on the eyelid for marriage or wedding purposes, but I would advise you to use it with a finger or with the wet brush. This was somewhat let down because it is not as pigmented as it looks on the palette, so it was kind of let down to me. Only this eyeshadow I was really disappointed about. Rest all are really good. So this has some sheen to it. Then the next eyeshadow is this coral eyeshadow. It has a maximum amount of sheen in it as compared to all others. So this is a coral eyeshadow, and this is a very beautiful eyeshadow, and it is pigmented enough on the eyelids. So you can use it for your party makeups, for your wedding makeups. It looks really beautiful. Then moving over to next. This eyeshadow is kind of a pale mauvish pink color, and this one has little shine in it. Then the last eyeshadow is a completely matte brown eyeshadow, a normal brown one, which again you can use for your crease color. This is a matte eyeshadow, and with these two eyeshadows you can do a brown smoky eye too. I will soon, I think, do a brown smoky eye look with this palette. I have already done a pink eye makeup. You can do a coral eye makeup with this too. So I think this is a really good option to create many eye looks with just 6 eyeshadows, because it has the required amount of colors for the lid and the crease eyeshadows, which I think is really essential for any palette. Otherwise you have to look for some other matte eyeshadows. You have to purchase them separately, and I am really finding it difficult to find some really good matte eyeshadows. Like the pack has really good ones, but it's really confusing online to select the shade. Like I ordered one green eyeshadow, I thought it's matte, but it came out as shimmer, so that's a little disappointing and wastage of money. So overall I would say this is a really good palette, and not much cons. As I told you already, that I just wish the colors were more pigmented, so that you know there will be less usage of the product and it will serve you for more time. Coming back to the staying power of these eyeshadows, so this stayed well on my eyelids for 4 to 5 hours. So I think which is a pretty decent time. I did not use any primer underneath, just your concealer, and with primer I think these will stay longer. But overall I'm really happy about this palette, and I will recommend this palette to all of you because I think it has really good colors and you can create different looks with this palette. And also I think the size is just perfect for traveling. So overall this palette gets a thumbs up from my side, and I recommend it to everyone who is finding it difficult to find a palette. And I think this is a very good palette for beginners. You get the crease colors, you get some lid colors, and you can mix and match and create different beautiful looks, eye looks with this palette. Overall I would give it a 7 out of 10, and 3 marks are deducted for pigmentation, and I wish they had some more colors. But otherwise I am quite happy, and only disappointed with one color as I already told you. But overall I think this is a good palette. You should really own it. It's a beautiful everyday palette. So girls, this is all about the review and swatches of Lakme Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in French Rose. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want to make a video on something else, and let me know in the comment section below if there is some other eyeshadow palette which you think is really good and I should buy it and I should create makeup looks with it, and it's affordable too. So let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you next on another interesting video. Keep watching PerkyMakes.com. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like, and do subscribe my channel. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.